we as small business owners, sometimes we need people in our corner. Sometimes we need a few extra resources or a few extra ideas. And, it's hard to find good sources of information out there. It takes time to accumulate the knowledge that can help you exceed in your business. I'm willing to offer up my experiences being an alloy wheel repair specialist, working with dealerships, and being an interior repair specialist for over 17 years. I'm willing to sit down with you weekly, monthly, however often you'd like, and help you grow, and to be in your corner, to consult, to give you ideas, to come at it from a different angle, to see what you can do in your business processes to expand, to grow, to scale, if that's something you want to do. Or if you just want to streamline, if you just want to make it easier to do what you love to do, and you're not sure exactly how to do that, that's okay. I'm willing to sit down with you on a one-to-one basis, show you what I can, and bring some real value to your business, and work like a partner, because I'll take on your concerns like they are my own, because I want to see you flourish. I want to see your company grow. I want to see you succeed. That's what the consulting service is. It's a one-on-one, just you and me, maybe bring in my team members so we can all sit there and come up with the best solutions for your business. I appreciate you stopping by. If you're interested in this, send a message. I hope we go build something together. Good luck.